In order to apply for one of our master's programs, you need to fulfill the requirements for application and to prove your aptitude for the program. In addition, you have to submit a proof of competence in English. You can apply within our rolling admission period, which comprises of 3 application deadlines. You can also apply without completing your bachelor's degree. In order to start the application process, you need to submit the complete application form and upload all necessary documents as PDF files in the original language. Please note that any documents not issued in German or English needs to be submitted accompanied by a certified translation. Make sure the application form is complete and check the readability of the PDF files before you submit your application. If you submit screenshots of any sort, please make sure all necessary information are indicated on these screenshots. After we process your application, you need to meet the final entry requirements. Please note that individual program applications may require different information and different documents. Please use our application guide on our website to make sure which documents are needed and which requirements you need to fulfill for your desired programs. If you fulfill the minimum requirements and the English language requirements, your application will be forwarded to a panel of experts. They determine your aptitude for the program. Each program has a different selection procedure which needs to be passed successfully. The applicants with the highest aptitude ratings will be offered admission to the program. The candidates can enroll personally within our enrollment period. If you have any more questions regarding that topic, you can contact us by phone or by email.